We got cut off a little bit there, but let me just reiterate that if you are negative 11.3 standard deviations away from the mean, you are well in rejection land. You're, sitting in rejection village looking out over rejection town. Because, look, you're saying that you would take anywhere between negative 1.96 and positive 1.96 standard deviations away from the mean and be like, okay, the 52% still stands. But your sample data is 11 standard deviations away from the mean, well past normal territory. All right, now let's do this a couple more ways, just for fun. So I wanted you to see that this is actually one section that DDXL will do. It would have done any of the 10-4 problems. All you have to do is you have to go in here and you have to type in X and N, 256 and 800. You highlight that data, go to Add-ins, DDXL, Hypothesis Tests, and you're doing a summary one variable prop test. Summary because you have summary data, so click on that. The number of successes was X, so move that over. The number of trials, click on N, was N. Say OK. Now it's going to ask us some things. What's P0? P0 was 0.52. OK. Then our alpha was 0.05, I think. Let me go back and look at the problem real quick. Yep, 0.05, right there. So let me go back. And we were looking at a not equal to for this particular problem. Click compute. And there it is, less, see that? Less than 0.0001, i.e. really low. And there's our Z statistics. So let me edit, copy the window. I'll just keep the picture form. Say OK. And then go here and I'm going to paste. Oops, that wasn't quite as much as I wanted. Hold on, edit, copy window. Let me see if I can get it to work right. There it is, there's the whole shebang. All right. I'll cover up the other one, I don't care. All right, so you can see it's telling us to reject. It tells us the p-value is less than 0.0001, which means it's really low, etc. Okay, now there's more. Of course, if we can do it in DDXL, that means we probably could do it in StatCrunch as well. So let's go to StatCrunch. Oops, switch this over here. This isn't any data thing, so we can just go to Stat, and we want to go to Proportions, one sample. We don't have data here, we've got a summary, so click Summary. Number of successes was 256. Number of observations was 800. Click Next. We were interested in 0.52 was our null proportion. Our alternative was a not equal to, so click Calculate. And there you go, negative 11.32. P-value is less than 0.0001, which means it's really freaking small. All right, copy, paste. And there you go. And just on a side note, let me go back to 10.4 number 5 for a second. We could have done any of these with either DDXL or StatCrunch, right? 78, 150. For example, DDXL, I would have just, oops, you got to highlight the data though. Never forget that, which I always forget. DDXL, hypothesis tests, summary, one variable prop. X goes in for the number of successes, N goes in for the number of trials. Okay. And you have to say it was a left-tailed, your alpha was 0.05. Set your P0, which was, what was it? 0.55. Oops, 0.55. Okay. Oh. Sorry, I pressed enter accidentally. There it is. Now compute. And look at that, 0.0406. There's the p-value of 0.2301. Yep, 0.2301. That's what we got to. And you again could have done StatCrunch for the same thing, right? Stat, proportions, one sample, summary, right? It was 78, 150, next, 0.55. It was a less than test. Calculate. Same info, 0.2301 right there. All right, that's it. I'll see you for 10.5 next time.